Hello curbside listeners, another day of quarantine here in the Bay Area and another mod for the Evo. Finally got my lip in the mail. It's a nice and cheap eBay lip, so we'll be installing that today. You may also notice I've shaved my facial hair a little bit and I now look like I'm 50. Car up with the jack, the floor jack. I'm probably not going to use stands because I'm lazy, but don't do this at home. Always use jack stands unless you're me. So before you install the lip, you actually want to take the lip out of the packaging and sit it in the sun for a couple minutes so that it gets its shape. Sometimes in packaging the lip will actually get kind of bent, and because of it's polyurethane, it'll morph back into shape under heat. Unfortunately, there is no sun in sight today, so I put this in front of my heater in my room for a couple minutes and it fits pretty good. So with the help of a couple jack stands, kind of janky, but the lip lined up to pretty much where we want it, and now we can start to bolt it onto the bumper. This lip is from Icon Motorsports on eBay, and it came with some self-tapping screws. We'll use that and see how it is. Might end up using some of my own hardware to make sure it stays on there, but let's get to it. Something I like to do when I'm installing or putting the screws on the lip, I like to see where the fitment is actually good already, just off of a rough alignment here. So it looks like over here it sits up against the bumper pretty well, but you'll see back here it starts to have a little gap. So we'll start by putting the screw under on this side, and then as we work our way around the lip, we can kind of adjust, tighten it, and then bolt it down. That way we have a good fitment. We got this corner of the lip on and secured with these screws right here. Used 4 of them so far. I have a couple more laying around the garage, so it should be alright if we go overboard with these screws. Now we'll move over to the middle. Like that, all done. It's on there, pretty sturdy, fitment's pretty good. The only thing I noticed is this side has a decent gap, so I went to Home Depot, bought some caulking. And as I was saying in the previous load resistor install video, I am indeed a genius. There's some black caulking there. I gotta clean up that edge right there, but once this dries, I'm going to add a little bit more just to fill it in, and then look, from afar you can't even tell. It was about 30 minutes later, cleaned up the line, boom, boom. New lip installed. See what this face looks like. Ooh, yeah, looks good. I will say that the lip is not my favorite. There's another lip from, I think, Basin R down in San Jose that makes a slightly smaller profile lip that doesn't stick out so much. So once this rips off, which I'm hoping it does soon, I'm gonna put that one on instead. But for now, this will do. So good luck out there to all you Evo owners who want to install a lip. Super simple install. Took me about 30 minutes to all together. Hope you liked the video, and be safe out there. Wash your hands, stay away from people, and yeah, see ya.